Let's check out piecewise functions now and apply the same principles and determine if the relation of the inverse or if the inverse relation will be a function. So let's begin with our horizontal line, and let's begin scanning this down. But here you can see that we fail. We're going to have a spot right there and a spot right there. So we can say or claim that no, the inverse is not a function. Let's check out one more of these, and let's take a look at this one now. So as we begin scanning down, you see that everything is good up until we reach this point right there. So here the horizontal line touched at two different places at the same time. So again, we can claim that the inverse is not a function because it fails the horizontal line test. Now I want to show you two examples on when the graph does have a inverse. Well, when you look at piecewise examples. So here, let's take a look at the first one, and you can see here that again, this is not to scale, but you can see that this graph would pass. Now here, because we have a open circle, the line is technically touching only at one place. And as we keep going down, you can see that this would pass the horizontal line test. So here we would say that yes, inverse is a function. And the same can be said for the second example. Here, maybe this one's a little bit more straightforward, but you can see that the horizontal line only touches the graph at one point. Here, it looks like it's touching at two different points, but the whole excludes that. So it's only touching at the closed dot, and if we keep going down, you can see that the line again only touches the graph at one point at a time. So here, this one would also be the inverse would also be a function.